NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang just made a major admission. The demand for NVIDIA's Blackwell chips is so high, it's creating tension and frustration among customers. But despite the challenges, NVIDIA's stock is up to $115 today. The Blackwell chips are NVIDIA's latest tech breakthrough, and everyone wants to get their hands on them. But the supply can't keep up, leaving some customers feeling frustrated.
The demand for AI and accelerated computing is through the roof. Everyone needs NVIDIA's Blackwell chips to stay competitive in the AI race.
But with demand outpacing supply, NVIDIA's biggest customers are feeling the pinch, and they're not happy about it.
Huang himself admits things are tight. NVIDIA is doing everything it can to meet demand, but he says, we most likely have more sentimental clients now. It's not just NVIDIA's chips that are breaking hearts. Looks like some traders are getting emotional too. And if things weren't complicated enough, NVIDIA is dealing with growing geopolitical risks involving TSMC. Huang says while TSMC is the best, NVIDIA could switch suppliers if necessary, but that might mean lower quality products. Huang praises TSMC for their agility and ability to meet NVIDIA's needs, but he warns that switching suppliers could lead to a dip in quality, something NVIDIA can't afford right now. Despite all these challenges, NVIDIA's stock is up today to $115, showing investors still have confidence in the company's long-term growth. If NVIDIA can't solve its supply issues, customers might look elsewhere, which could hurt the stock in the short term. But NVIDIA's position in AI is so strong, they'll weather this storm and come out on top. Huang remains confident that NVIDIA will get through this, but with tensions rising and customers growing frustrated, the company has a challenging road ahead. Will NVIDIA manage the Blackwell chip crisis and keep customers happy? Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and follow us for the latest updates on NVIDIA's next big moves.